My name is Jake Alexander. I'm a plant ecologist, grew up in southwest England and moved to Imperial College London to do my undergraduate. In 2004 to Zurich, so I'm an old new face in the department. I did my PhD with Peter Edwards, and continued working with Peter Edwards, and then joined the group of Jonathan Levine. And in 2015 I was awarded an ERC starting grant, which I took to the University of Lausanne. And since February this year, I've returned to ETH with the ERC grant. So in my group, we are interested broadly in the ecological and evolutionary processes shaping plant communities. And one question which fascinates me and integrates all of these interests is what shapes species distributions. So this is a classic question in ecology, but one which is really important now because species distributions are being redistributed across the globe at an unprecedented rate through biological invasions and as species respond to climate change. So we study the consequences of this reshuffling of our plant communities on plant community structure, on species ranges, and on plant community functioning. So at the moment, a particular focus of our work is on how changing interactions among species affect community responses to climate change. So we have a number of experiments along elevation gradients, some in Valais, some in Graubünden. So we're continuing to work on these experiments which manipulate species interactions, manipulate climate by conducting experiments at different elevations. And so we're continuing to work on those experiments. A longer term goal of this is to generate data which can be used to create more mechanistic models of species distribution in response to changing environments. So that's one aspect we're working on. Another aspect we're interested in are the consequences of these changing species interactions for nutrient cycling and carbon cycling through these grassland systems. So it's especially exciting for us to be at ETH in D-USYS with many people who are interested in similar questions that we're looking forward to interacting with.